How to read pickle file. I created some data and stored it several times like this. Every time the size of file increased, but when I open file, I can see only data from the last time. How can I correctly read file?
Pickle serializes a single object at a time, and reads back a single object. The pickle data is recorded in sequence on the file. If you simply do pickle.load, you should be reading the first object serialized into the file, not the last one as you've written. After unserializing the first object, the file pointer is at the beginning of the next object. If you simply call pickle.load again, it will read that next object. Do that until the end of the file.
There is a read_pickle function as part of pandas 0.22+.
The following is an example of how you might write and read a pickle file. Note that if you keep appending pickle data to the file, you will need to continue reading from the file until you find what you want or an exception is generated by reaching the end of the file. That is what the last function does.
I developed a software tool that opens most pickle files directly in your browser. Nothing is transferred, so it's 100% private. This URL, formerly. Now it's hosted here, this URL. Edit, available here if you want to host it somewhere, this URL. Feel free to host this somewhere.